Hello, Dea.
Hello.
Okay, Dea, so you were selected to speak with me today because you meet my research criteria as research subject, and my research aims to find out how you respond to the implementation process of several learning activity implemented by Miss Vivi during the meeting last week.
Baik, Kak.
Okay, Dea, I have several questions in this interview, and in answering the question, you may use the language you feel comfortable with during this interview. You can use full English, mixed English and Indonesian, or full Indonesia.
Alright.
Okay, can we begin the interview now?
Sure.
Okay, we begin with the first question. Based on your participation in 3 Miss Vivi English learning class meeting last week, what material topic have you studied?
Descriptive paragraph.
Okay, how did you feel after attending in 3 Miss Vivi English learning class meeting last week?
I feel enjoy and is chance for learning.
Okay, why did you feel enjoy and claim it such as fun learning?
Because the learning is not about the explanation from the first until the end. There are also like the practice event in group or individual.
I see. Okay, so now I will ask you some question about activities in 3 Miss Vivi English learning class meeting last week.
Okay.
So do you still remember at 3 meeting last week, there was an activity that divided the paragraph topic into several small part by creating keywords related to the paragraph topic.
Seperti apa itu, Kak, kegiatannya?
Jadi setelah ini loh menentukan topik paragraf, kalian membagi topik itu jadi beberapa bagian kecil dengan membuat keyword yang berhubungan dengan topik. For example, minggu lalu kan kalian mempunyai topik paragrafnya itu my best friend. Lalu dari topik itu dipecah menjadi beberapa bagian kecil, best friend 1, best friend 2, dan best friend 3. Yang mana itu semua akan digunakan untuk menjelaskan topik atau berperan sebagai isi paragraf. So what do you think about these activities?
Oh, I know, Kak. I like this activity because it is very easy. We just to look for the keyword that connect to the topic. I think all my friends also like this activity.
Oh ya?
Iya, Kak, beneran. Coba tanya aja ke mereka.
Okay. So what about this activity, searching and determining pattern for each keyword? What do you think about these activities?
This a new thing for me and really love this activity.
Can you explain your reasons?
Sure, I think it is neodin karena saya beneran baru tahu banget cara ini. Kayak nggak pernah kepikiran ada cara ini. Ini ibarat kayak rumus untuk ngatur isi paragraf kita gitu nah, Kak. I really love this activity because can help me manage my paragraph.
Okay, so we move to the next activity. What do you think about this activity, removing and replacing repetitive word or sentence that are unnecessary or unrelated to the topic of the paragraph before the sentence are combined into paragraph?
This activity is not difficult to do.
What is your reason?
I think the activity is simple. Kita hanya menggabungkan kalimat-kalimat yang sudah dibuat, lalu membuang bagian kata yang berulang, jadi tidak banyak hal yang dilakukan.
Okay, so now the last activity, applying, composing, and organizing descriptive paragraph by inserting topic point based on a paragraph structure that have been arranged with keyword and pattern sequentially. There are 3 sequences. The first one is inserting main sentence, supporting sentence, and the last one is conclusion sentence.
Bisa bantu ingatkan saya, Kakak?
Sure. Jadi dalam kegiatan ini kalian itu menyusun dan memasukkan kalimat utama, kalimat supporting dari masing-masing keyword yang udah berpola, dan kalimat kesimpulan menjadi satu paragraf. Kegiatan ini itu dilakukan satu persatu secara berurutan. Kalimat utama, kemudian dilanjutkan dengan kalimat supporting yang juga disusun berdasarkan urutan keyword, dan terakhir baru dimasukkan kalimat kesimpulan.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think about these activities?
In my opinion, this activity really fun like playing a puzzle.
Oh ya? Can you tell me your reason?
Iyalah, Kak. It is like playing a puzzle karena di kegiatan ini saya nyusun paragraf dengan memasukkan kalimat-kalimat yang sudah disusun sebelumnya secara berurutan. So, Jadi menurut saya ini semacam kayak main puzzle gitu.
Okay, I see. So, Dea, after following all this step, how is your opinion regarding the process of creating descriptive paragraph using the teaching method implemented by Miss Pipi?
Maksudnya ini secara keseluruhan kakak?
Ya benar. Jadi kayak bagaimana sih pendapatmu setelah membuat paragraf deskriptif dengan cara yang diajarkan oleh Miss Pipi last week? Please tell me your opinion there.
Okay. In my opinion, this method is not complete. Very easy to do, very good to us, and yeah, it really helped me in make a good paragraph.
Why do you think this method is not complicated? Complicated kan tadi? Okay, very easy to do, very good to use, and help you in make a good paragraph.
Maybe because when I make a paragraph by Miss Vivi method,
Mhm.
I don't feel difficult. I
Okay.
don't feel confused and I don't feel hard in make paragraph. So that is.
Okay, Dea. Very good answer. I think enough for the interview today. Thank you, Dea.
Sama-sama kak.